question. Tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question. Tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, I love the clothes I'm wearing, I love the rock I'm rocking, I love 'cause I depend.
Knew it was real when you blocked me. Sitting on judging my body. Wonder what I did to lose you. Why in the hell you ain't choose me? Why don't you love me no more? And I don't even know what for. You must have wanted something different. Still don't know what I was missing. What you asked for, I would've given. It ain't right. Got these hoes be winning. Why they be winning? Yeah, no hope for a guy like me. Why they be winning? Yeah, and I ain't wanna be, but you gon' make a whole lot of.
Hi guys, I am starting this vlog off in the car. Oh my gosh. So guys, today is Thursday. So what I have on my agenda today is starting to look for things for the spring. So on my front porch, I never did show my front porch for Valentine's. I need to remove those things from off my front porch. So I have already been shopping for the spring. Don't think your girl is moving slowly, okay? Because I haven't been moving slowly. So I hope you can hear me. Today is such a pretty day. It is almost 80 degrees here in Georgia where I am located. So your girl is riding with your windows down, okay? I'm not running no air conditioner. So I wanted to go to Hobby Lobby, and also I want... Oh my gosh. Y'all, this car almost slammed the front end of my freaking car. Are you freaking serious? Y'all, these people is 2 lanes to turn. Of course, y'all can tell I was turning. Instead of you turning, she came straight across on me. Okay, back to what I was saying. Okay, I have already been doing some shopping. My cousin gave me some thoughts in my head, and I told her, I called her, I was like, cousin, why? You know, start something. So, she started something. I have been doing some shopping over the last 2 weeks. I don't know if I'm going to do a haul. I kind of like want to go over. I might do a haul. And I wanted to do my front porch on a complete budget. That is my total ammo, to do my complete front porch on a budget. When I mean a budget, I mean, you know, your girl loves saving coins. She do not like spending a whole bunch of money for nothing unless it's something luxury. And I don't show y'all my luxury stuff like that on my channel. But somebody already asked me about what luxury handbags you have. I have a lot of them, but I have never done a video like that. So where I'm going right now is Hobby Lobby, and I only have that much of a budget still left. I'm gonna tell you what my budget totally was to do my front porch, and my budget, guys, my whole entire front porch budget is $50. I'm not going over $50. That's it. Right now, I still have left to buy. I am at $16.31. Okay, I am going all the way down to the penny. Okay, So where I am now, I am almost here at Hobby Lobby. It's one area that I do want to look at in Hobby Lobby to see if they have what I'm going for my decor. So hopefully they have something that, ooh, this time of day and all these people here? I'm not parking right there. Sir, what we don't do around here is just walk out in the middle of park. It's that day in Georgia, y'all. So, I have never parked on this side ever, but it's the first time for everything. So, guys, we at the lobby. So, let's see if we can find us some goodies on sale. It's back. More Irish things out than what I'm looking for. These are so cute. Look at that. So cute. Look at those. Okay, guys, so I'm out of Hobby Lobby because they didn't have anything. What I'm looking for, they did not have anything. I'm like, your spring decor, I mean, you really don't have anything. So I'm gonna run by Dollar Tree, and then Kirklands is right here, so I want to run into Kirklands. I might give y'all a Kirklands walkthrough. Might do that, but I know I want to go by that tree. And every Dollar Tree carries different things. I don't come over here like this, so hopefully, oh, and I got a good part. Second part. Hopefully I found something different here at this one compared to the four in my area. So let's go to the tree.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water-bearer sign, but all the elements live rent-free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rep the water-bearer sign, but all the elements live rent-free in my mind. Yeah. Moody.
I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you and you, but so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, because I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust, and my fragile heart started.
Hello everyone, so I am at the end of this video. I'm not on video, but I am here. I will be doing a haul for Kirklands. I did not find anything that I was looking for inside Dollar Tree and inside of Hobby Lobby, but I did go into another Dollar Tree and I did find some goodies. So remember, every Dollar Tree is not the same. You will always find different things in different Dollar Trees. But guys, the Kirkland haul will be in my Easter tablescape. Yes, that will be coming up. I want to go ahead and show you the Easter decor for my tablescape to give you some ideas. And you know, I used to be called a tablescape queen, but of course I came out of that some. But I do want to give you an Easter tablescape, and I am so excited because some of the pieces from Kirkland's will be on that. But guys, I am getting ready to wrap this up. I am so excited to bring you my 2023 front porch spring appeal. Guys, it's going to be a showstopper. I am so excited because I have everything that I need now, and I am doing it on a $50 budget. Yes, $50. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because you're going to want to be here for that tablescape, but definitely here for the Easter spring curb appeal. So guys, I am going to go ahead and get out of here. Hope you had a fabulous week, and I hope this week coming up will be a fabulous one too. But until Wednesday, guys, I will be back on Wednesday. I am going to go ahead and end it. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out, because you know I have some things coming in. I think you want to be here for them. But you know what I always say at the end of all of my videos, I got to go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys, have a blessed one.
No shame, no shame, no game, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty, babe? I'll give you options. I'll be a perfect day. I'm yours till the night fades. Whoa, don't let it fade. No shame.